In today's video, I'm going to show you how to let Gemini build your slides from scratch right here in Google Slides. So if you've ever struggled with layouts, spent too much time designing, or just want a faster way to create beautiful slides, Gemini is going to change the way you work in just a few clicks. It can generate text, visuals, and a complete slide for you. So before we get started, if you haven't checked out a video where I show you how to get Gemini for free, I will be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to check out. So going back to creating those slides with the use of Gemini, let's get started by clicking on this icon right here just above our sidebar that will say generate an image. Another way to open this would be to go to this icon right here where it will say create slide image. So in creating these slides, these are actual images that Gemini will create for you. You won't be able to edit them like you would do in a normal slide where you have those different elements like your text boxes, your shapes, your images. These are full images that you just insert onto your slide. And the only way you'll be able to edit them would be to add to your prompt. Now, you'll understand what I mean as we go, so let's just go ahead and create our prompt. Here it is. So I want it to create a simple and visually appealing slide about the importance of cleaning. So before you get started, just have the general idea of what kind of presentation you want. And then you can add your specification on what are the things that you want inside your slide and place them right here on your prompt. Once you're done with that, you can just either press enter or click on create right here. Then we wait as the magic happens. And here it is. So if you want a preview of what it has created, you can just simply click on it, and here we have it. So we have those 3 key benefits of keeping our spaces clean and a practical cleaning tip. If you're satisfied with what it has created for you, you can insert this as a new slide. There we have it. So if I open my film strip right here, that's my title slide, and here is the newly generated slide. Now again, as I've mentioned before, this is a whole image. There are no text boxes or icons or other elements that you can click on and edit it or replace with if you don't want them. The only way that you can edit this would be to go back to that prompt and put in your specifications. So let's say I don't like the color. Change it. Press enter, and now we wait for it to change the background color. And now it has changed the color. If we click on it to have a preview, so if you want to replace the old one, you can just click on replace right here, and there we have it. Again, it's inserted as an image into that new slide. And if you want to continue with this, we can now create our next prompt for our next slides. So for the next ones, I wanted to create 3 more slides that focuses on those 3 points mentioned on this first slide. So I'm going to create my prompt. There we have it. Again, you can just either press enter or click on this arrow up right here. Now, since we're asking it to create 3 more slides or 3 more slide images, it will take more time. And here we have them. So we have 3 more slide images right here. If again, we want a preview, we can just click on that, and here we have it. We also have the next one and the last one. So 3 more slides that are created based on the first slide that we created. So let's go back to the first one, insert as a new slide. There we go. The second one right here, insert as a new slide, and the last one, there we go. And now we have created 4 different slides based on the prompts that we entered here on the Gemini panel. And if we wanted 1 more slide, a closing slide to end this presentation, we can just simply type create a closing slide, press enter. So as it is generating that, we will see that a theme is being followed with all of these slides. We have the color, we have the text, the different icons or images that have been used, and it is all coherent with the entire presentation. And lastly, we have our closing slide right here, which is quite great. Start your journey to a cleaner space. Again, we have that text and the icons are the images. If we insert this as our last slide, here we have it. So we were able to create 5 slides, a short presentation about clean space with the help of Gemini right here in Google Slides. And that's how we let Gemini build our slides from scratch right here in Google Slides. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.